Hi guys, so today I will be talking about Shout, one of my favorite cleaning products. Triple acting, clings, penetrates, and lifts. It removes stains the first time, guaranteed, or it's free. And this one is just 22 fluid ounces. I'm not really good at measurements. I'm not sure what the measurements are in the parentheses. I apologize, but this is just 650 milliliters. And then if you flip it over, like I said before in the front, it just says Shout, clings, penetrates, and lifts. It tells you the directions, tips, and then it has it in Spanish. And then I love how it gives you the environmental facts, questions, and places you can contact if you are having a hard time with the product. And then this has been a family company since 1886, so that's very interesting. And it just gives you the ingredients of it all. Getting started with Shout, and the reason why I say this is one of my favorite cleaning products. Okay, so a funny story. I literally did not know about this product, and you know how we usually grow up. So in my household growing up, I wasn't really required to clean as much as probably other kids were. My mom was a stay-at-home mom, so like although we had responsibilities and chores, it was never like go scrub the bathroom. It was kind of like, all right, you need to clean your room and do your laundry. Like that was basically all the chores that I had, aside from like washing the dishes when it was my day of the week to wash. But I never was like, my mom was never like clean the house, because she was that wasn't her job, but like she was a stay-at-home mom, so she kind of like took on those duties. And so when I got to college for my trunk party, everybody got me some cleaning supplies. I was like, I'm never using this ever in my life. And then I ended up getting my first like apartment, but I moved into my sorority house, and so that was kind of like my first apartment. And guys, when I tell you that I basically used the whole bin of cleaning supplies once I moved into my sorority house, I think I might have went out and purchased my own that year. For any of you who don't know, so like living in a sorority or fraternity house, it just depends on which one, but usually like you guys throw parties and things of that nature, and it's not the most cleanliest. And so I found myself using a bunch of different products and everything like that, and just the different stains that were left in the house and stuff. And we had to clean this or else we would get fined by our landlords. And then also too, like we wouldn't have gotten our deposit back. So yeah, just going back to Shout, I literally had to find a cleaning product that would get up everything that I needed it to get up. I just needed something that I could depend on and everything of that nature. And so I called my mom crying like, Mommy, I'm not going to get my deposit back. I'm so sorry. I should have never lived in my sorority house. And then she was like, no, just go get some Shout. And then she's like, do what I tell you. So I went and purchased Shout. I got a bucket of warm water and a little bleach. And guys, when I tell you, it cleaned up so many stains, and I didn't even have to scrub hard. Literally the chemical, and I hate cleaning supplies where I feel like it's like burning your eyes. Like that is my biggest pet peeve with cleaning supplies. Like I just don't like when it feels like it's overwhelming and it's like attacking my face and everything of that nature. Like that stuff really bugs me. So this is not strong at all. The chemicals in it are like, I don't know, I'm not like a chemist or anything, but they seem pretty balanced, because it doesn't like it's not like overwhelming. And I hate like using different products with a lot of bleach in it and things like that, because like I said before, it irritates my skin and it burns my nostrils, and I just hate stuff like that. But this is like not one of those. And like it says right here, and usually when companies do this, remove stains the first time, guaranteed, or it's free, I'm like, okay, I believe you, because nobody wants to be handing out free merchandise nowadays. And it was just one of those things for me where it's like, okay, like if if it works the first time, then it's going to work the second time, and the third, and the fourth. So I love consistency within products, even on the different stains that I had in my house. So I just want to give you guys a couple examples. Like, my bathroom was really bad from all the people throwing up, and we had like tile floors in the bathroom, so the people throwing up on the bathroom floor kind of like got within the tiles around the toilet and everything like that, and we literally tried our hardest to get it out. It would not come up. I did what my mom told me. I sprayed some shot on there, and I got like a nice bucket with a little bit of bleach and warm water, and I scrubbed, and it came right out, and I didn't even have to scrub that hard. Like, it was a light scrub. It wasn't like I'm scrubbing my brains out. Like, it literally was a decent scrub, and it came right out. And then also too, our shower was really bad. This worked on our shower, and then I think the worst thing was the stains on our kitchen floor, and it came literally right up. So when I tell you this product works, it works. I don't think it's expensive at all, especially for what it does. It really benefits like your household, and I guarantee you're gonna go back each month and buy a bottle of it, because I have. And yeah, it works so well. It's just one of those products where it's like, it's always been consistent for me, and I've been using this for 2 years now. So like I said before, this is just Shout, the triple acting cleans, penetrates, and lifts, and I definitely recommend it.